Controller drift can be frustrating, but there are some quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help disable or reduce controller drift on your PlayStation 5. Step 1. Clean the controller. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks. Dirt and debris can cause drift, so ensure the area is free from any obstructions. Step 2. Reset the controller. Locate the small reset button on the back of the controller. Use a pin to press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. This will reset the controller and may resolve any drift issues. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. Go to the settings on your PlayStation 5. Navigate to Accessories, then Controllers, and adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift. Step 4. Update the controller firmware. Check for any available firmware updates for your controller. Go to Settings, then Accessories, and select Controllers. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Step 5. Replace the analog sticks. If the drift persists, consider replacing the analog sticks. You can either do this yourself if you're comfortable with hardware repairs or take the controller to a professional for servicing. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift on your PlayStation 5. If the problem continues, it may be time to consider a replacement controller.